Clients fall in love with products, and when they fall in love with products, they want to come get them from you. I'm not a salesperson. That is something many stylists say and think, and while I can understand it, I do want to say one thing about that, and that is relationship. Throughout a client visit, you're going to have multiple relationship building points, and not only is a great haircut, a great consultation, being attentive to that client, beautiful hair color, beautiful style, all of those are relationship building points, but then also the retail. Don't think of yourself as a salesperson. You're giving them quality products. Every salon out there, I'm guessing, is selling high quality salon professional products that are great for your client's hair. One thing I would say to you, if you're feeling this way, I would encourage you to learn more about the products you sell. You'll be a professional talking to your client about what is best for their hair. So think of retail as a relationship building point within the salon. Don't think of it as a salesperson. If you get benefits on the back end of that, that's great. But the biggest benefit you're going to get is building that relationship with your client, a long-term relationship. For more tips just like this, check out our new FSE AI app at fseai.app.